Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking and the Smart Arrows. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner, and if you would, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's talk first here about Tesla and tomorrow. What's Tesla going to do? We're looking at Friday's chart here on the 5 minute time frame. Tesla tomorrow. If we end up closing below 223.27, you can expect 203 in your near future. That is Grandpa's humble opinion. However, if we open or close above 224, you can expect 237 first of all in your near future, and who knows what after that. So above 224 bullish, under 223 expect 203. So, and Grandpa thinks that we are going to open approximately 219 or in the high 218s, actually, is where I anticipate opening. I could be dead wrong, I could be dead right. So it's just Grandpa's opinion based on what he sees for tomorrow, based on the high, the low, and the range on Friday is what it's really based on. So I think we're going to open right around a little under 219. And so we would need to close above 224 to have a buy signal. Under 223, we're going down. And the dominant trend is currently down in Tesla. We have a buy signal in the monthly, the weekly, but we have a sell signal now in the daily. So that's where we're at. And so the dominant trend for almost 3 years is down. It's going to be a huge battle. I can show it to you probably. Why not? Why not show you it? So here we are. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so you can see the trend line better. And all my crazy arrows that bleed over into the chart. But here's this white line coming down. And now I'm going to make it bigger so we can actually see the candles. So we're fighting right along this line. And this line is right at 221.15, 221.30. You know, Grandpa's lines aren't perfect, so take it with a grain of salt. And let's go back to the 5 minute chart. Charts, they're just a joy. So here we are looking at Friday's beautiful day. Now, a margin account. A margin account. One thing about a margin account, and even if you have the limited margin account where you have under 25,000, is they allow you to trade far more than you actually have for money in your account. That's why they call it a margin account. And you can watch on your computer or your phone imbalances and see if your equity percentage is 100% or getting less than 100%. I'd be very cautious if you're doing that. To have a margin account, so that you can go short, you would need to call your broker and ask them if, say, you wanted to short Tesla. Once you get it okayed, you can do it all the time without asking. You only got to ask once. So you get okayed to short the market and Tesla or whatever you want to short, and you do that once, as far as I know, and you're golden. So if you have over 25,000 in your account, in a margin account, you can buy or sell all you want. And the only thing is, if you're following Grandpa's arrows, you're very likely going to be right very often. Once in a while, we get spoofed, but you got to be able to take a small loss once in a while. Because if you don't and you let your account run into the after hours, you might wake up $20. It might gap against you, the market, and you wake up $20 from where you wanted to be, and then you live in hope that it's going to come back to you, and it goes another $10 against you and another $10. And pretty soon you're down to $40, $50 when you could have only lost $100 or something like that. And so take the small loss once in a while if you have to and reverse position, or just wait. Don't let it blow up your account. That's the biggest. People, they win 20, 30, 50 trades in a row, and they think they're so good that they can't lose, and you can lose. And so one of the biggest things I can tell you is don't just hang on and think it's going to come back to you, because it might be a year or more before it does. So that would be a word of wisdom. The margin account is by far the easiest to trade. You don't have to worry about how many day trades you have left, all those sorts of things. You can just trade in and out as many times per day as you want to, and it's a lot of fun. And you can do real well at it. Keep in mind you have to maintain at least 25,000. If you dip below that, you're going to be on 3-day trades. Now on limited margin account, I said weekly, but if there's a holiday like Labor Day coming up, it's actually, if you go out, say you use all your trades up on Friday and Monday is holiday, you have to wait 5 trading days, so you wouldn't get your trades back on Friday. You would get them back on the following Monday, because it has to be 5 days. The market's not open on Labor Day, obviously. So that's how that works. But otherwise, yeah, you can have just a great time with a margin account. You get in and you wait for the smart arrow to come, and you get out and you make your $7 on Friday. And on Thursday, you get in going short and you get out, and you actually get in, probably make another 50 cents, and you get out at the end of the day. Down here, just get out. You're under a sell signal. Do not keep it. In Grandpa's opinion, there's no reason to keep it overnight and take the risk. Get out and take your money. You made a strong $12 and closer to 13, actually, if not more, on this down day, with your margin account. If you got 100 shares, you made 12. It's a $1,200 day. That's a nice day in anybody's book. And just for the fun of it, we'll go back to Wednesday here. What a nightmare that was. But with a margin account, you can get in and out, so you can at least take some ride, Albeit it's not going to be great. You might make $1 going up because this candle on the sell signal just flew down. And if you got in, go out of your long position, you probably made 75 cents to $1 is all you made. And you might have made yourself 50 cents going down. Past 10:30, I wouldn't even trade. No matter, unless you're on a golden run where you got the candles going in your favor, I would just not even go past that. In Grandpa's opinion, you go back to the where she ran all day down that $12. That's a rarity that happens. Usually your playtime is in the beginning of the day. You could have got out here and still made yourself your $8, $9 and not taking the risk any further. But if you played it all the way out, yeah, you picked up just about $13 on that bus. So and there again, watch some of my live streams. I tell you how to do the reverse engulfing system, how it works, and how the smart arrows think. So, and that's important. It looks easy, but it is extremely not easy. So, well, good luck. We'll see you Monday morning at 9:15. Grandpa's going to go live till around 11:15, 11:30. And we will see what the smart arrows do for us come Monday. Grandpa doesn't really care whether Tesla goes up, down, or whatever. I just don't like choppy sideways movement, but for the most part, I don't really care if it's $100, $200, or $300. What I care is that there's movement. You can make money if there's movement in the stock. And, I was thinking about doing the video also on Monday, but I think I'm just going to stick with Tesla and work on maybe do a split screen sometime this next week with NVIDIA also. NVIDIA works extremely well with the arrows, smart arrows. It also respects the golden cross and the death cross. It seems to Grandpa that it respects it in the 5-minute chart just like Tesla does. And so that gives you an added edge when doing NVIDIA or Tesla, alongside smart arrows. The smart arrows from outer space. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does.